Hey guys, so I am currently in Washington, D.C. with my family, and we've been here for a couple of days already, but we got in on Thursday and it is Sunday, so we've been here for a little while. But today my mom, dad, brother, and sister went to some art museums, and I decided that I was just going to stay, wait for them to come back, and then I'm going to go out with my mom later this afternoon. So I just got dressed. I look kind of rough today because I didn't have it in me today. So I just have on this little I guess like a tee and white shorts. But I'm probably gonna run down to the Starbucks that's just around the corner from our hotel, and then I'll come back. I'm a little bit hungry too, and since I didn't go with them, I don't know if that means that I don't get lunch. I don't know. But yeah, so I just thought that I'd try to vlog a little bit since I haven't vlogged any of this trip. But I mean, I don't know, I just thought like might be kind of hard to vlog. I don't know how interesting vlogging walking around like in a museum would be, especially since there's so many people and it's hard to just like focus, I feel like. So I don't know, but me and my mom are supposed to be going shopping, so I feel like that'll be fun. I don't know how much of that I will film. Hopefully I can film something, you know, so I'll have a little bit of something to show. But yeah, let's go get Starbucks. Hey guys, so it is 9:18 at night now, but I was going to film me and my mom shopping today, but we only went to Nordstrom Rack, which I had never been to Nordstrom Rack before, so that was an experience. It was okay. I don't know, I'm more of an H&M Forever 21 kind of girl, so I didn't really see that much that I liked in there. They had some pretty cool stuff though, so but I only got one thing, which I will show you. Hold on. Okay, so this is my little bag that I got, and I got like the most boring thing, but I just got like a little cardigan sweater. While I was there, because I borrow my sister's all the time, so I just figured why not get myself a little flowy, long black sweater. So that's all I bought. They had some pretty cool sunglasses in there too, but I didn't end up getting any. So I got my Starbucks, I went shopping. We only went to Nordstrom Rack, and there wasn't really anything exciting to show you. And then we came back and we had food, which I'll insert a snap that I did of our dinner. And And then we came back to the hotel room, and that's all we've been doing. So I just figured that wasn't that exciting. And I will do a room tour of our hotel room probably tomorrow, because it's kind of dark now since it's late, and everything's dirty. I've got like junk all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and say good night, and then I will pick the vlog back up tomorrow. Me and my mom are heading to Starbucks, the one that I went to yesterday, to get some coffee. We just had breakfast at the hotel. I don't know what we're doing today, so that's what we're up to. Is it? Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a really quick room tour of our hotel room slash suite kind of thing, and my battery is about to die, so hopefully I can film everything. This is where you enter the room, and then once you come in, you've got a cute little side table and a sofa area with footrest. Got another little side table over there with a phone. Some cute little wall decor. And then rug. Then if you come sit down on the couch, you've got a nice TV and little entertainment center, I guess. And then to the right, you've got a little dining area and mirror with a cute little lamp on top. Okay, and then if you move on down, we've got the kitchen area where there is a light somewhere. Oh. So we've got the little kitchen area with this cute little fridge, which works really good, or well. We've got the coffee maker and all the little stuff you can make with it, tea, coffee, microwave, little ice bucket, and then behind me is the sink, and you get a mirror, and under here is where you can throw your trash. And then we move into this little hallway in here. So this hallway has a closet area in it, which is really cute. I like the glass doors. So this just has my stuff in it. I have like some of my clothes and shoes and all that jazz in there, my dirty clothes. And then here is the bathroom. So and then when you walk in, the lights automatically turn on, which is pretty cool. So we've got a mirror over here, which I love these mirrors because they just have like the cool light strips in them. I don't know how that works, but I wouldn't mind having one in my bathroom. And so over here we've got a cute little makeup mirror, sink, got some towels down there, toilet, and the shower. Pretty standard looking stuff, but looks cool. Okay, then once you're done with that, you come into the bedroom area, which before I even do that, has a really cool door that has a full-length mirror on it. How nice is that? Okay, so when you walk into the room, you've got all this storage space over here, and it goes all the way down. So this just has a ironing board in it, and then this little door, if I can open it, has like some robes and luggage and shoes and stuff in there. And then over here's got another TV, and then I just have some of my stuff over there, and then we have the bed with my sister in it, and we've got 2 bedside tables, some more wall decor, and this is a really big bed. I think it's a king size. And then the window that looks outside, but you can't see anything. There's really not much to see out there anyways. But that is pretty much the room. And then the back side of the door also has the full-length mirror on it too, which is really nice. And then you get like a cute little, whatever these things are called. And then we are actually sharing another suite like this.
Of course. You're attracted to Natsu's voice charms too, aren't you?
Say hi, Gideon. So yeah, that's pretty much the room tour. Their side looks exactly like our side, so. But we have some, well, I have some cheesecake in here. That I'm ready to eat. So that's what I'm gonna do.